Hello everyone, welcome to Anikant English Medium School. All my lovely kids, chin up, smile, and let's celebrate the day dedicated specially to you. To all dear students, I wish a year full of happiness, playful times, lots of fun, and celebration times. Happy Children's Day to all of you. On this very special day, let us all celebrate the innocence and purity for kids. Let us feel precious in every way that we can. Every child is a miracle in their own way. This world is beautiful place for you all. Today we all, staff and management of AMS, come up with lots of new ideas to make your day more and more special. So let's celebrate with all.
बच्चे मन के सच्चे सारे जग की आँख के तारे ये वो नन्हे फूल है जो भगवान को लगते प्यारे बच्चे मन के सच्चे. How true these lines, na? Dear children, every year we celebrate Children's Day on 14 November. But do you know why we celebrate Children's Day on 14 November? Because it is the birth anniversary of our favorite Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru ji. He was the first Prime Minister of India. And do you know who has come to meet you today? So let's meet Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru ji today.
मैं पंडित जवाहरलाल नेहरू सभी बच्चों को मेरा ढेर सारा प्यार और आशीर्वाद. दुनिया का सबसे सच्चा समय, दुनिया का सबसे अच्छा दिन, दुनिया का सबसे हसीन पल सिर्फ बचपन में ही मिलता है. बाल दिवस एक यादगार दिन है जिसे बच्चों के प्रति स्नेह, दुलार और सम्मान प्रदर्शित करने के उत्सव के रूप में मनाया जाता है. वर्ष 1954 में दुनिया में पहली बार 20 नवंबर को विश्व बाल दिवस स्थापित किया गया. विश्व बाल दिवस तय कर दिए जाने के बाद बच्चे भले ही किसी भी जाति, रंग, लिंग, धर्म या देश के हो, उनके दुलार, पर्याप्त भोजन, चिकित्सा, निशुल्क शिक्षा और उनके हर तरह के शोषण से सुरक्षा के साथ वैश्विक शांति और भाईचारे वाले वातावरण में बढ़ने के अधिकार को मान्यता दी. बाल दिवस की शुरुआत किए जाने का मूल कारण बच्चों की जरूरतों को स्वीकार करना, उनको पूरा करना, उनके अधिकारों की रक्षा करने और उनके शोषण को रोकना था, ताकि बच्चों का समुचित विकास हो सके. बच्चे किसी भी देश की वास्तविक शक्ति और समाज की बुनियाद होते हैं. हम जिस तरह से उनका पालन पोषण करेंगे उसी पर देश का भविष्य निर्भर होगा. बच्चे भावी भारत का निर्माण करेंगे. फूलों के जैसे महकते रहो, पंछी के जैसे चहकते रहो, सूरज की भांति चमकते रहो, तितली के जैसे मचलते रहो, माता पिता का आदर करो, सुंदर भाव से मन को भरो. यह है हमारी शुभकामना. हंसते रहो, मुस्कुराते रहो. धन्यवाद.
Thank you, Bhandwalkar sir, for giving our children wonderful information about the Children's Day in Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru ji get-up.
As we all know, music is the best way to convey our feelings. Any occasion, may it be happy or sad, seems incomplete without music. It can be rightly said that music is the key to life, and singing the best way to share our happiness. So here we have our music teachers, Ashish sir and Priyanka miss, wishing you all a very happy Children's Day in a musical way.
Happy Children's Day to every student. Today we are going to present one new song. written by Purple Sir and music by me. Let's go. You are the rising stars of new day. There are no bars spreading gay. You are the rising star of new moon day. There are no bars spreading gay. Get cheer up and shine and make the world fine. Get cheer up and shine and make the world fine. Happy Children's Day. Happy Children's Day. Happy Children's Day. Happy Children's Day. Marathi song. मत किती गोड 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 झाडावर झुझुझु काठीवर मुंग्यांची सर्कस गोल 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 तोल जायचा फिरत गोल 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 ट्रॅक्टरवर चक्कर मारायचे बूर 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 कागदाचं विमान उडतंय भूर दूर दूर आई मला खेळायला जायचंय जाऊ दे ना नदीमध्ये पवायला जायचंय जाऊ दे ना आता सगळा अभ्यास झालाय जाऊ दे ना मी तुझं सगळं काम ऐकतो जाऊ दे ना रोज सकाळी उठायचं कोंबडींचं घर उघडायचं पिल्लांच्या मागे नचायचं एकच सॉंग करायचं चकाचक आंघोळ करायची पटापट शाळेला जायचं टमटम मारते पुई वर्गात कॉमेशन मज्जाच लई 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 कच्च्या जामुन बोरांची गोडीच लई 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 साबणाचे रंगीबिरंगी फुगे उडवू लई 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 दगडची माती खेळायला पोर जमू लई 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 आई मला खेळायला जायचंय जाऊ दे ना नदीमध्ये पवायला जायचंय जाऊ दे ना माझा सगळा अभ्यास झालाय जाऊ दे ना मी तुझं सगळं काम ऐकतो जाऊ दे ना आई मला खेळायला जायचंय जाऊ दे ना नदीमध्ये पवायला जायचंय जाऊ दे ना माझा सगळा अभ्यास झालाय जाऊ दे ना मी तुझं सगळं काम ऐकतो जाऊ दे ना
Hello students, happy Children's Day all of you. Now I am going to sing some songs. I hope all of you enjoy these all songs. One, two, three, start. लकड़ी की काठी काठी पे घोड़ा miss for such a wonderful and enthusiastic performance.
14 नोव्हेंबर 1889ला चाचाजींचा जन्म झाला. भारतात या दिनाला बालदिनाचा मान मिळाला. चाचा नेहरूंना आवडायचे निरागसे लहान मूल, म्हणून कोटावर लावायचे गुलाबाचे सुंदर फूल. तर मित्रांनो, बालदिनाच्या तुम्हा सर्वांना खूप खूप शुभेच्छा. चाचा नेहरू आपल्या भारताचे पहिले पंतप्रधान होते. मुलांमध्ये ते रमायचे. लहान मुले त्यांना फार आवडत असत. मुलं म्हणजे देशाचे स्वप्न मानत असत आणि आपल्या देशबांधवांना याची जाणीव व्हावी म्हणून आपण भारतात बालदिन साजरा करतो. तर मित्रांनो, आज आपण पाहतो की आपण ऑनलाईन खेळांना महत्त्व जास्त देऊ लागलो आहोत आणि खेळामधून मिळणारा आनंद त्यामुळे विसरून जाऊ लागलो आहोत. आपले शारीरिक आणि मानसिक आरोग्य जर उत्तम राहावयाचे असेल तर आपण खेळ हे खेळलेच पाहिजे. पण असे कोणते खेळ आहेत की जे तुमच्या मनाला, तुमच्या शरीराला आनंद व प्रसन्न करणारे आहेत? ते आपण खेळ आता प्रत्यक्षातच पाहू. तर मित्रांनो, पाहिलं ना आपल्या जीवनात खेळ किती महत्त्वाचे आहेत. तर मित्रांनो, तुम्ही सुद्धा असे छान छान खेळ खेळून तुमचे शारीरिक व मानसिक आरोग्य उत्तम ठेवायचे आहे. पुन्हा एकदा तुम्हाला बालदिनाच्या खूप खूप शुभेच्छा. देश की प्रगति के हम है आधार, देश की प्रगति के हम है आधार, हम करेंगे चाचा नेहरू के सपने साकार, हम करेंगे चाचा नेहरू के सपने साकार. आज 14 नवंबर बाल दिवस यानी पंडित जवाहरलाल नेहरू इनका जन्मदिन. भारत देश में बाल दिवस बड़ी धूमधाम से मनाया जाता है. हमारे पाठशाला के कुछ अध्यापक आपसे कुछ कहना चाहते हैं, तो चलिए वह आपसे क्या कहना चाहते हैं वह भी देखते हैं.
For each and every one of you. Today we are celebrating the birth anniversary of the first Prime Minister of India, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. You all are familiar with him. He is lovingly known as Chacha Nehru. In the words of Jawaharlal Nehru, the children of today will make the India of tomorrow. The way we bring them up will determine the future of our country. You, my dear students and my dear children, are the future of the country. Today, we want you to grow up and to become great personalities. We want you to be true citizens and real leaders of the country. On this very special day of Children's Day, enjoy yourself, be happy, be safe, take care of yourself, and above all, make a promise to yourself that you will surely do something in life that will make not just your family, your parents, but your school and your teachers very proud of you. I know you love your school and you will surely fulfill my promise. So once again, I want to wish you all a very happy Children's Day. Keep smiling and keep shining. Thank you so much.
Children are the most beautiful and wonderful, prettiest flowers in the garden of life. It is the most valuable creation of God. We people forget our worries and tension in the company of children. They make us happy, refresh our minds. Oh, our dear students, wish you all a very wonderful, happy Children's Day. Have a nice day.
Hello students. So wish that every year we celebrate 14 November as Children's Day. And it is birth anniversary of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. So we all together wish all our school students Happy Children's Day.
Hello students, I have few lines for you for this special day. Sing baby sing, sing again, childhood bells to ring again. Let innocent world shine again, and child in you rise again, and child in you rise again. Wish you a very happy and joyous Children's Day, students.
Children are the best creation of God. They spread joy in every season. Happy Children's Day, my dear students.
Hello everyone. Keep your face towards the sunshine and the shadow will fall behind you. Wish you a very happy Children's Day. Thank you.
Hello students, every child is a different kind of flower and all together makes this world a beautiful garden. Happy Children's Day.
Hello everyone. Children are very innocent. They are very pure at their hearts. So always keep the child alive in you. Happy Children's Day.
Children, you are very special for us because you are our future. I would like to wish you a happy Children's Day to all of you. Thanks.
Hello dear students. There are no words to describe how special you are for us. So come on, let's enjoy this day with a lots of fun. Happy Children's Day to all.
Hello children. Children are the lovely creation of God. They spread joy in every season. May the love and laughter always join your face. I wish you a very happy Children's Day.
Hello everybody. Happy Children's Day to you, student. Childhood is the best time in our life. It is the place of active learning. Two aspects are very important: innocence and happiness. Innocence will grow into maturity as you grow old. But I only hope and pray that you stay happy forever. Once again, wishing you all a very happy Children's Day.
हेलो बच्चों, बाल दिन के शुभ अवसर पर सभी बच्चों को बाल दिन की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं।
Happy Children's Day to every child in the world. Hoping that a special day will bring happiness into the lives of all the beautiful children in this world. Happy Children's Day, all our loving angels. I love all my children more than I love the air I breathe.
Hello my dear students. A very happy Children's Day to everyone. Today is a special day, and on this special day, I just want to let you know that you are the most precious gift in the life of your parents and your teachers. Each one of you is very special and unique, with lots of love and innocence. We elders too learn a lot from you, and one thing is to live every moment of the life. So children, never stop screaming, playing and laughing. Enjoy your life to your fullest and keep spreading happiness around you. A happy Children's Day to everyone once again.
Hello children, childhood is the most important phase in life and I know you are enjoying it. So on this special day, a very happy Children's Day to all.
रोने की वजह न थी,
न हंसने का बहाना था। क्यों हो गए हम इतने बड़े, इससे अच्छा तो वो बचपन का ज़माना था। बाल दिवस की आप सभी को ढेर सारी शुभकामनाएं।
Here we come to an end of the program. I would like to extend my sincere thanks to our principal, Mrs. Rakhi Mathur ma'am and Dhavekar ma'am, who have spared their time for gracing this occasion. I am also thankful to all the teachers, parents, and all the students of Anikant English Medium School for all the support and helping hand they have extended to make this event a successful one. I would also once again wish everyone a fabulous Children's Day. Last but not the least, I would like to say that may it be big or small, let the child within you always stay alive. Stay happy, stay safe. Thank you.